facial. If you love organizing and hate messes, then you are at the right place. Today I have with me the Tex Row Plastic Modular Organizer. Let me show you. This 5-layer multi-purpose storage organizer is made of strong non-toxic plastic with ample storage for all your organization needs. Store clothes, shoes, toys or books easily. This plastic is chipped and scratch resistant, so you can rest assured that it will last for a long time. The organizer is compact and sleek, meaning you can place it anywhere in your house. Plus, it is easy to clean. Just wipe it off with a wet cloth and you're done. This 5-layer organizer has made my room much neater for sure.